Okay, for the first question, we want to prove this relation. Cos pi over 7 times cos 2 pi over 7 times cos 4 pi over 7 is minus 1/8. The first thing you want to notice is that 4 pi over 7 is double 2 pi over 7, and 2 pi over 7 is double cos pi over 7. So we'll want to use one of the two relations, or maybe both. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, and cos 2 theta equals cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Now if we look at this one, we'll notice that if we say cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta over 2 sine theta, we can get the 1/8 term from a half cubed, and we can simplify by cancellation because numerators and denominators will cancel. So we'll write it out again here, but using this expression we've just learnt. Sine 2 pi over 7 over 2 sine pi over 7, sine 4 pi over 7 over 2 sine 2 pi over 7, and this will cancel with this, and sine 8 pi over 7 over 2 sine 4 pi over 7, and this will cancel with this. So now we have sine 8 pi over 7 over 8 sine pi over 7. To cancel further, we need an expression for sine 8 pi over 7, but we want it to cancel with sine pi over 7. So we'll use a sine addition formula. Sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And if we write sine 8 pi over 7 as sine pi plus pi over 7, then we'll have sine pi cos pi over 7 plus cos pi sine pi over 7. This is 0 and this is minus 1. So sine pi 8 over 7 is minus sine pi over 7, meaning that A is 1 over 8 minus sine pi over 7 over sine pi over 7. These two cancel, and the answer is minus 1/8, as we were required to show.